Okay, Pikachu, show them what you got. Wow, Pikachu, you really sucked balls out there today. A blind puppy lured into the experiment. Okay, Pikachu, let's do this. Wow, Pikachu, you really sucked balls out there today. Okay, Pikachu, let's do this. Go!
I found a girl the other day. She was a girl dressed okay, and she dressed okay, and she asked my name, and you know, I never knew that I was dressed okay, and she dressed okay, and she fall in love with you. Oh, dressed okay, and she, baby, will you come back to me, baby, will you come back to me, baby, will you come back to me, dressed okay, and she, we can have some, dressed okay, and she, we can enjoy the breakfast menu, dressed okay, and she, dressed okay, and she, although baby.
Wow, Pikachu, you really sucked balls out there today.